Welcome to my class, dear learners. How are you? I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am here today to take your English second paper class. Let's start our class. What do you see here? There are 3 years here: 1990, 2021, 2030. This is past tense, 1990. This is present, 2021. And this is future, 2030. So our today's topic is tense. Learning outcomes. After completing the class, the students will be able to write sentences in different tenses. Use the right form of verbs. So tense indicates time of an action. There are 3 sentences here. I go to school regularly. I went to Dhaka yesterday. I shall go to Kumila tomorrow. Here the words written in red indicate time of action. Tense are 3 types. These are present tense, past tense, and the last one is future tense. Each tense is classified into 4, and these are present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect, and present perfect continuous tense. Past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect, and past perfect continuous tense. Future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, future perfect, and future perfect continuous tense. Present tense. Present tense indicates an action that takes place in present time. Present tenses are 4 types, and these are present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect, and present perfect continuous tense. Present indefinite. There are 2 pictures here: universal truth and habit. Present indefinite tense means universal truth, the action that is usual and the action that takes place regularly. Structure: subject plus present form of verb. Present indefinite: I eat. Here subject I, then present form of verb eat. I eat. So this is present indefinite tense. Subject plus present form of verb. Keep in mind, we add s or es after the base form of verb if the subject is third person and singular number, such as he eats. Here he is third person singular number, so we have added s with the object or with the verb eat. He eats. This is present indefinite tense. I eat. Here I first person, so we have not added any s or es with the verb eat. I eat. These two are present indefinite tense. Individual work. Identify the sentence that are written in present indefinite. Number 1, I like tea. This is present indefinite tense because here subject I, then present form of verb like, now object tea. This is present indefinite tense. Number 2, he is an intelligent boy. This is also present indefinite tense. Number 3, He came to Dhaka yesterday. This is past indefinite tense. This is not present indefinite tense, as the verb is here came, past form of verb. So this is past indefinite tense. Number 4, what is your name? This is present indefinite tense. Number 5, we had a cow. This is also past indefinite tense. Present continuous tense. There are two pictures here. Number 1, running. Number 2, sleeping. Present continuous tense indicates an action that is taking place. That is the work which is happening. Structure: subject plus am, is, are plus verb plus ing. Keep in mind, gradually, day by day, step by step. Now, these words indicate present continuous tense. Example, I am improving gradually. This is present continuous tense. Present perfect. I have visited the doctor for 2 times. Present perfect tense means an action that is finished but the result is not finished yet. Structure: subject plus have or has plus past participle form of verb. Attention! The sentence that contains already, ever, never is in present perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect tense means an action that is taking place for past time. That means present perfect continuous tense, the work which has started before but yet it is happening. That is present perfect continuous tense. Such as it has been raining since morning. Structure: subject plus have or has plus base form of verb plus ing. Here subject plus have been or has been plus base form of verb plus ing. I have been working as a teacher since 2011. Here subject have been, then verb work plus ing, then time. I have been working as a teacher since 2011. Assessment. Number 1, he does to school regularly. Correct answer will be he goes to school regularly. As here subject is third person singular number. So we have used as yes or yes with the verb go. He goes to school regularly. Number 2, I dash my work already. Here the word is here already. So we have to do it as present perfect tense. I have done my work already. Number 3, I dashed for 2 hours. I have been reading for 2 hours. Number 4, at present women dash an important role. At present woman is playing an important role. Number 5, what dash your name? What is your name? Now I am giving you homework. Write 5 sentences in present indefinite, continuous, perfect and present perfect continuous tense. Okay, thanks to all.